Nigerian artists, I don't
that
understand.
Voice, the
They're going to talk about woman, they'll come say, she they do shakara, she they front. Hello.
But we women, we don't do shakara.
Now our best right to do shakara. Anyway, okay, no bets. We get BlackMagic for Inside with Studio.
BlackMagic, we talk about no, we don't say it's a bit singer.
I don't say she go continue. She go back
and make mistake. We just allow her sing the thing.
Not Moshe Dada, Moshe Judge.
She win. She try.
She try.
When you sing and before, what you talking about? Moshe Dada, Moshe Judge.
BlackMagic, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, so before you enter with studio, I don't know that you've been the watch for outside. They get one issue with the trash house. So for instance now, you're there with your babe.
Yes.
Una they do some kind, you know, touching body things. She can't call another man's name. What you go do?
She called the man name, say ask him question.
No.
For bed. Now they're very close to each other.
Intimate.
Yeah, very
intimate. Body they touch.
And she can't mistakenly call.
She don't call your name, oh.
Call another person.
Another her ex. In fact, she
you
call
know
her
the
ex name, and you know him. What you go do?
She called the guy name. I mean, you know, say different things they manifest somehow. So whether now they try imagine how she take call the name.
Make I do scenario. Okay, the number that she's supposed to do. Oh, BlackMagic. And then next she's gonna say, oh, BlackMagic.
What do you go do if that kind of thing happen?
Me go at that very time. Me go first form say me not here.
Okay. You mean really?
Based on more groove, the one with the first.
Not spoil the groove.
Yeah. After groove down and finish, then me will come address the issue. But I mean, once in a while, it really, to me, I believe say it depends on how you reason the babe. If not babe, women not sign, don't concern me. If that make up,
no, this one like babe, the
main one.
chick.
You don't marry him.
Side chick, oh.
You don't marry him. You don't even marry him.
You don't drop levels, please.
He asked with luck. Okay,
really.
Now we don't say don't drop levels, but what do you go do?
No.
No, wait till
now. They do that.
Family go gather for the matter.
Power go change hands.
Power go change hands.
Vote them out.
Your wife,
even after getting married to her.
Me na one kind of person where me not believe say yes, marriage not for better for worse.
Yeah.
But they not say for the worst. They say better for worse. They not say best. They not say worst.
Okay.
So which one be you did because me sabi person where they beat when I marry. He say they won't help him. Say no, they beat me. No, they beat me. No, they beat me. He go enjoy the hospital. He say no, now sickness one thing they die up and that. She died through away. She don't go leave children. So me not believe this not just my own reason as a man because me believe say if you love person, which one be you the beat them? And me believe say if the thing will bring us together and the fact say me love you, they do one kind. So based on that love, you agree say okay, more date together forever. It can't change. Nothing. No contract where they binding where you know fit reverse. Based on the terms of which you say something where you build on top of love. When the love not there again, go for person. That's all now.
So really, because she call another person name, you go send her come off her house. You go divorce her.
No. She go need explain now.
Okay, so if she explains saying a mistake.
Which one be you want come build the boys' quarters for landlord?
But you know, say I tell you, I say it don't happen to me before. But I explain the explanation not day enough to me. But the person accept them. Say okay, the explanation. I explain myself. No. I explain myself based on say what thing happen at that moment now. What thing been don't happen with somebody before. So I try to like lock up. I mistakenly called that name and sorry. To be honest, see what thing happen, but I'm sorry.
Truly, they pay no.
Before.
As a man, which one be me? Which one be Ronaldo score goal? They say na Messi. We don't agree.
Okay, we don't do turn out too much. If now you make that mistake.
If not, okay, wait. First, me want add. Maybe one add first. As she talk say it don't happen before the person accept. Me want talk say if it happened to me, the depending on the baby, the girls, you know, say different kind of relationships. They, husband and wife, they way them be true friends.
Yes.
Husband and wife, they will be like say me na.
Then join them together.
You understand? Husband and wife, they will be like say na oga and house girl. Husband and wife, they will be say na oga and assistant. So depending on the kind of relationship we then get and her explanation, you know, say most of the time not be waiting you true do now your reaction to waiting happen. You get some people where they feel offend you, but the way them go react to the fact say then don't say hey you don't vex, you know, go make you understand. So no matter I may not believe say it gets things where you not feel forgive.
Yeah. Okay.
So you go feel forgive that kind of thing.
I like the answer.
So you go feel forgive, you know. Depending on the way she react, or which one be we don't grow finish. Me one come there and she come the one first lie. Say no, me not talk anything, or me not do that.
No, so, you don't need to lie.
But
so if you talk to
She now we talk about you as an artist, as a brand. So now, today our family day, we go want to know how your family take accept you as a musician where you don't be now. They accept you or they not accept you. How you come about this music?
You say that acceptance thing. Now one kind of thing you say anything where they do, it depends on the level where you take down. They don't go accept you. You not get anybody here now where get picking where saying one be shoemaker. Yeah, you go the vex. Till you done they make 100,000 shoes. Till I tell you I don't they wear shoes. They don't they sell shoes, give governor. You go say, hey, my picking.
My speaking they make that shoe.
So know how. Even when me first start, my papa say no, not go fit happen. My myself reform. Hey, papa don't talk to me no one counter or go at the top. You know. But me reason say okay, at the end of the day, me get my own life. So waiting me fit do. Because my father always tell me that thing, he say, what thing you go fit do to impact the world, where then go fit remember you for, where you go fit be the greatest art, you know? Not be just say the one way they you the groove. So because everybody, see, some people will be billionaires based on say then they sell kerosene, some people be billionaires based on say then they sell furniture, some people be billionaires based on say then be TV presenters, some people billionaires based on say then be writers, then be directors or whatever. So anything where you want to do, you fit take them to the highest level. You know, so when we started to do my music, if they one kind, everybody look, both who support, who not support, everybody look on eye. The ones who support, no one talk true, based on say, they don't hear say the support not too strong. You know, as they been, when they don't hear say people they win, they can't join bandwagon. But the minute my man begin here, one or two people, they say, hey, BlackMagic, she go enter somewhere, then they play my music, say, she go come, hey, that's my son. Hey, that's my son.
Now she gonna tell people.
Yeah, she gonna tell me. Before you know, my mom call me one day, say, hey, BlackMagic. I say, hey, mommy, which one? I don't know which one BlackMagic again.
She gonna call you again.
Yeah, I say, no. What do you mean? Say, some of your fans are here. Say, they want to follow you talk. I say, mommy. Say, greet them.
I trust mothers.
Na mama na.
So, once she started the groove, she see the way people they react to my music, all those kind of things. It can't make her mind come down and say okay, because truly, waiting they make parents they worry about waiting their picking they do. Now the fact say then they fear for the well-being of the picking, and whether you go fit take care of yourself and you go fit sustain you. So then just want me you do successful, not be say they don't want me you do anything what you want. But the world done they change in the past 5 years. The change what we done experience past the last 20 years before that was. In the space of how many years GSM don't come before you know when they born some people Instagram not there.
Yes, now of course. And now it don't become the trending.
Who them born now Instagram don't day.
Yes, everything don't there.
So your 5-year-old birthday, I'm not sure say you get the Instagram picture.
Now throwback your content.
So these days people they sell things for Instagram. Some people they sell things. First of all, na BBM first come. People they grew they sell things or BBM. People get 3,000 contacts. They sell things. Before you know, Instagram can't show. So people don't start see people like Linda Cage now. what did she do? Before they say if you not be doctor, you must be lawyer. If you not be lawyer, you must be this one, you must be that one.
They work for Oya company.
Everybody they form engineer.
I don't say we leave you. You go just finish.
I know one thing. I like in pidgin, so
oh yes.
I don't get stressed.
I want to ask some question. I must ask this question.
Yes.
Because I said it never settled for my own head.
Okay.
Wait, why BlackMagic? Nah, juju. With BlackMagic.
Nice one.
Yeah.
You know, say when you talk BlackMagic for Africa, everybody go feel say, hey,
exactly.
say, hey, which one be that one?
Black. You know even say white magic.
When they knock on thief for destiny for this one, they want change it. That time my mama say, not chop for here. Say, don't go their house. So they do one kind of, you know, those kind of things. But so make on reason say, okay, me want to do music at the end of the day. And the way me they come up with the music. Another thing is, you get many things will make me come up with a name. First of all, the thing will make you ask me, and the thing will make me come up with the name also. Because any paper where you see where they write BlackMagic, people say,
you go drop them.
you know? No, so you go drop them. But you go take style look. You know, you go look, sir, which one BlackMagic? If they talk about person, say, hey, BlackMagic. You go say, BlackMagic, my person. You go want know. You go make you want which one BlackMagic. Now this one with the hand of BlackMagic, I be you know.
Another one.
So that's number one to make people reason say who be that to make them they interested.
Catch attention.
Catch attention. Make them try reason say who be that, and also because the kind of things we me they do. You know, say if you go Dibia, say hey, I want make I want make landlord forget say me they want rent. Say, may do for me. If him bring leaf, come, say...
That leaf.
Say, may you put... Your ain't go give you egg or anyone. Say, may you put the egg for the back of your... Where you sleep, like here. Say, once you wake up for morning, before you follow anybody talk, you go find the egg 3 times. You go talk one name. Anything wait, you don't know true how that egg won't make landlord forget, say... But based on, say, you believe, say... You go work, you go do them. And once you do them, if you work for you, if you don't work for you. So, based on that one also, the magic way me they do, way be music, me not feel explain how it go take work, but the effect, you know, the effect, like the way you know, say that egg won't make it. But ask what it be, you say, hey, man, I want that way Baba give me make landlord enough, you know. Remember, say me the one rent to. So the same way myself, if me run my own music, I say, what do me want me this music do?
Bros, you get experience.
I want make
for this Baba things, you get
explain that worry guy. He grew up on worry. You know what's up, you know.
How you know who not gonna know?
I don't know. Me, I never hear. I don't know.
No mind them.
Everybody.
I resemble person wey know.
But you dey watch African Magic.
I dey wait. Because I dey watch African Magic, no mean say I sabi.
No, not even that one. Bro, like say African Magic.
Amen.
So the African Magic continue.
We all know say African Magic they teach us a lot of things. Some people you not even
most
know.
of the things
they learn even extra.
Yeah.
So
no.
What are we talking about?
Nigeria they form say they know.
What are we talking about?
Okay, BlackMagic, make I ask you this question. Sorry, say I cut you short. You know, say today in our family day, and it be like say you did family oriented. If I notice most of the videos where you don't do, know the nakedness, even the girls, the vixens where they damn know the. Is it that you they put your family behind your head, say, Mom's, yeah, as they talk, Mom's go eventually watch this video. If they get time where they always put those things for mind.
Not necessarily, not just my own reason as a person.
Okay.
It be like the kind of things me they like.
Okay.
Me they like dress different.
Yeah.
Okay. You know?
You like them decent or everything skin?
Different too.
Okay.
Well, if you show skin anyhow way you want to, we go group the one way they. But me they like dress different. Me like shoot my own videos different.
Okay.
Me like things will look different. So if me see babe, me they like different kind of babe. Babe where they package themselves differently. We say tasteful.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
You know say taste they come with levels. You know before you go believe say, yeah, if the girl should be like this. You know, hey, that's the one way you define. Say, hey, if I, but we big like this, so if I face like this, but with time you'll come find out say the one way you true one day you see one babe will not get all the things where you talk,
but
you go one day I put for the matter.
You're gonna wonder, say what they make.
You're gonna wonder, say, hey. So now those things they always make me. They always try to portray the thing with me like the kind of babes with me they use. Me do record videos. They say why me use bald head chick? But because to me, babe, if you skin her head, na confidence.
Yeah, big serious confidence.
So, and many babes today, then they hide behind many, no offense to people who put levels for hell, but many people, they hide behind so many different things. Some of them are the dressing, some of them are the makeup, some of them are the hair. So you guys talk, find out before you come find out, say, them being insecure. So me like see the ones from far away, you know, say, once I don't see person, for you to rock your own hair, you believe yourself, you get confidence in your skin, nothing what anybody won't tell you. Because know how you want wrong go has go change. So when you shave your head, if you don't say that, you don't believe say fit you, and you believe yourself. That's
no, I can't know where they go, but wait. Based on everything where you don't they talk, BlackMagic, as an African man where you be Yoruba, you come from Delta State. I want to ask you, what will be your take on most of Nigerian celebrities where they get baby mama, they get picking outside marriage? The trend now. It be like say one baba don't tell them say once one woman born for you know where you go blow. Because if you check most Nigerian artists don't get baby mama. Artists and actors self don't they in Bible now. So what will be your own take on them?
There are many reasons why people they do different things. Some na mistake. Okay. No, I know call that mistake. Picking not mistake. Nah, say they will not plan them like that before. You know, or the picking come earlier than planned. Some of and most of the time, you know, say as artists, they get almost 5 to 10 times the attention when normal person will get. So before normal guy enter somewhere, before they notice and they don't look, say, hey, see BlackMagic, hey, see Aspirin, so hey, see Fino, you know, those kind of things. So know how with that attention, you go. Obviously, they talk to more babes. You go to hang out with more babes. You go they prone to so many more, and many babes get their own things for mind. So whether not the babe idea or not your idea, or as it happen, it happen. Begin don't show whatever it is. But I don't believe say them true plan say they won't get baby mama. But if you don't find babe, where say she know they come up picking no.
You will keep him.
You will keep him.
Finally,
I respect that one.
So on a lighter note.
When you see me touch
single
my head like this.
Me na single.
You just single.
So you are searching. Are you searching?
And searching, I mean.
You know, say me don't talk. Say I no go. Explanation. I no go talk. Say I search again.
I like him because you know how to corner the.
He goes straight in face, so you don't believe him.
Because then talk say when you know the look, you find the best. So me don't form say.
You know the. But you form, but you form, you don't work. Oh, now when you zero your mind.
Exactly. You know form,
as you dey form, it means say for the back of your head you dey search, but you go just front say, I know the same.
If you come, I go take am.
You know say also, they say now what you dey find.
How you go see?
Now you go see.
So waiting be that.
So make you not be saying me not dey find true. Now you my mind. Make me not go see again.
On the final note, you are single. You dey search.
But I know the search.
Alright, look, I just ask you this last question. Now. Maybe just assume say God will hear you now, and you get the opportunity to make 2 or 3. How many wishes I want to give myself? 1. To make just one wish. What would be your wish?
Me go tell God. May
give me a chance to make am 2.
May reason me. May do what's in my mind.
What's in your mind? Make the wish now. Make the wish now.
One wish.
That one wish.
If you're not the other person, they talk these days again. The one wish. You know what? How?
BlackMagic thing.
Just make one wish.
Use that your name.
You say that wish.
You never can tell.
Me feel wish 2 more wishes though.
Oh, yeah, okay,
make it 2.
Add 1.
Make 2.
Make am 1. Talk am make it be 1.
No, you don't understand. You go use the one wish for 2 wishes.
Oh yeah, no problem. Wish am. Make we hear. Wish am. The 2 wishes. If you
2 wishes.
Me go wish say me fit. First of all, me go wish say make Nigeria be one of the greatest countries in the world.
Okay.
First.
Patriotic.
That means you go use your 2 wishes to wish for Nigeria. Very nice.
Yes, now because if me wish Nigeria well, me don't wish my family well, my picking well,
God
your generation.
My generation well.
Because if home day okay, when you come as a people they see.
I tell you.
No, say person they wrong go find like this or that. Which one be?
Second one.
Okay, so that's my
second one.
Meanwhile, pass my basket.
Wait, second one.
No, me we just make we dey while already. Second one. This is box of life.
Okay.
You get an amount.
Second wish is coming.
The second wish. Now say make me
blow.
No, not be just blow.
You don't blow past like
make me achieve my greatest dream ever.
Amen.
Amen. And it shall be so.
So shall
Amen.
because you have talked on talk, it must
It must happen for
Amen.
you. We wish you all the best. And really, I admire, most of the time when I listen to your voice, I wish this thing. I be fan of yours. And I get person where be say, I like where, which is not Don Jazzy. I dey always see you and Don Jazzy.
Collins.
I see another thing what I like about him that coming out. He's always dressed in
That's why
and
you can take him to mama and say he's an artist. Mama will be like, really?
Oh yeah, talk.
Okay, we don't reach that time, and they call them talk the talk and do. Pick paper. If you decide to the red, they attract you. Anyone? Or if you want me, I give you from my head.
My pick any paper.
Yes. Or you pick the red one. Anyone, anything.
Anything where you see for answer your pick.
Just put your hand inside.
This is your babalawo
bring
no
the
work.
basket.
Your black magic
Mine
no
no.
work. When you for talk to your
Well,
black
you bless
magic.
some first. Say your black magic work.
Me no know how they do this one.
Okay, what's in there here? Be saying our mystery box.
Yeah, what's in there?
Truth
Okay,
or
time
dare
goes today.
and game day.
Black magic. You go call bus stops all the way from Mao to reach Oshodi with conductor voice.
Let's go there.
Me go call
Bus stop. You know,
Bus
when
stop.
they come from Oshodi, they go Mao too.
Oshodi.
No, where you they stay for some first?
So where you
Help
stay?
am.
Me dey stay Koyo.
Ikoyi.
So you
Don't
never
worry,
go.
call bus stop all the way from Obalende reach Ikoyi.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Use
You
conductor
conductor
voice.
voice.
So.
Okay.
You have to act like
Yes.
a conductor
Black
right
magic
now.
dey
If you dey do all, oh yeah. Time they go.
So
Now
that
5 seconds you get.
so that one get like me go
One.
enter your boss.
How did they talk about?
2.
Hey, wait. Wait.
You know, say before you blow now, boss, you don't
Get real time, not the time.
Hey!
We'll start again.
Which one be?
One.
Balende. Balende. Law school.
That's what their voice they be.
No, just talk.
Balende.
Now you call.
Law school. First gate. Second gate.
But you don't say that like you don't know.
Second gate.
Thank you so much.
You have tried. Come and try.
Yeah, maybe just start my cook up day.
Yes, straight up. Hook up the day. You get one very fine friend like this. The guy fine. That you self acknowledge say the guy fine, and you don't marry. You go agree make that guy come stay for your house for 2 days.
Wait, the way you
For your house, don't marry.
I say if you don't marry.
Me get fine friend when
Yes.
you don't marry.
No, you don't already marry as
You
a
don't
guy.
marry as a
Okay,
guy.
as a man. Okay,
And you
yes.
get one fine guy, as in your friend, a guy.
Yes.
The guy fine. That guy all the packs. Fine, but you self don't say fine. Make us stay for your house for some days. You go agree.
For some days.
Yeah.
Why me not go green now? Because
And you know, so your wife like fine boys, so fine.
and we don't marry put. Make she do the one way she want to do because anything we go make her feel want follow my friend for where income stay with us. She go fit do outside. Me na police. I me go know when she come out, she go still run the same level. So me not the fear. Me believe my wife. For me to call and say this not my own. Me
Yes,
not select.
trust very important.
You know,
Trust very
so-
important. All right.
But sorry, black magic. Me, I be woman. I don't feel allow my younger sister come say because my younger sister said way. I tell her say no
Lord.
way. You know my Tiana. I tell her no way.
Okay, so I go today our side Black Magic. We don't come to the end of the show. But before you go guys sing for us with Talk Talk.
Yeah, we need to dance.
Yes. And
Yeah,
Yes.
sing for us.
Sing for us.
With
Put
your
talk
voice.
inside, in fact. Sing talk.
if you put our names,
Put our name. My name is Amaka, Betiana, Queen
Yeah, Queen.
Queen B and Louis.
B and Louis, okay.
Queen B, Uwe,
This
Amaka.
And Betiana.
Betiana.
Amaka and Betiana. Queen B and Uwe.
Really, Black Magic, really.
Is that you don't try, oh. You don't just try. Do them again. Try them again. Start again.
Start again.
Start again. Put
Drop
talk,
am
put
again.
Amaka, put enter the jazz, or you enter the Black Magic.
Or better still, just use talk. Maybe say no, may not to.
hard for
Just
you.
say
Yeah,
talk,
yeah,
or
just
just
say.
sing for us.
We
We like that, Papa. God bless you. Not go pass you by. Maybe just sing that for us.
Yeah, if people talk.
Man, not sing
God bless
something.
Amaka.
Anyone will enter your
your
mind.
mind.
Use your
And
shush
we-
mind.
Yeah, sing.
Yeah, see, they play. They don't give you soundtrack.
You say if I need to follow the.
Oh yeah, follow on.
Baba God, blessing no go pass you by. He go bless you so they then go ask you. And the bad belly people then go pass you by. But Baba God, no go let you die. No, he will let you fly. Over the obstacles you dey face sometimes.
Blessing no go pass you by. He go bless you so they then go ask you why.
And the bad belly people then go pass you by.
Say Baba God,
he will let you die. Oh, no, he will let you fly. Over the obstacle you dey face sometimes.
Alright, thanks about BlackMagic. Say yes, that's how to go. High five.
High five.
You are 3 months.
Thank you.
Anyway, that's how we wrap up today's show, and we're gonna meet you tomorrow. Will be our old school day. My name is Remain Uvi. My name is Remain Uvi. We'll meet you tomorrow.
Yes, my name is Betiana. We'll lead till tomorrow when we meet again.
And my name is Remain Amaka Okudiako.
My own name is Remain Queen B.
You say you know why waiting? Why waiting?
I said, I know why you dey happy for the old school day.
Why they happy?
What's your
And that you know always talk to talk to me back, but
maybe know what you talk about.
And I just want to say thank you to my friends and my fans and my family for helping me out.
Baba God bless you, no go pass you by. He go bless you, so to them go ask you why. Only bad belly people then go pass you by. Cause Baba God no go let you die. Oh, he will let you fly. Over the obstacle you dey face sometimes. Oh, you just have to try.